proper spoke torque is important to keeping your wheels stronger and allowing for them to last longer. Wheels require a lot of maintenance. Our adjustable spoke torque wrench kit is made with a rubber wrapped handle to protect your rim from scratches. Included in the kit is a wide selection of tips to cover a wide variety of spoke sizes. An extra standard handle is added for those tough disassembly jobs, all nicely placed inside a durable plastic case with a suggested torque spec sheet to help guide you. Keep your wheels stronger and lasting longer with the Spoke Torque Wrench Kit. Check out our website and social media platforms to stay up to date with all our new products. See you guys out on the track.